during qualifying. Good to see the 55 making it out here tonight. It looks like he's got some issues. He's going to pull it down and they haven't quite worked all the hooks out of that car yet. We'll be halfway this time by. 4 down with 4 to go at the line. Richter got some pressure from Moyer now.